Feminism leads to whores. Whores lead to single mothers. Single mothers create weak beta males. Beta males create a weak society. A weak society creates communism. Communism creates death. This is the cycle.
I don't think bro knows what a cycle is. It can't be a cycle if it ends. That isn't a cycle, it's a straight line. You know? Dude, this guy's such a fucking Sigma, bro. Fuck yeah, dude.
Feminism leads to whores.
Does anybody even know what feminism is anymore? Like, women wanting equal rights. You know? I know there's like, you know, it's like vegans. Like, people think that it's cool to be like